I'm going to give you a quick overview of Zoom. Zoom has a lot of tools that will be used depending on the classes that you're in, but this is a basic overview of that. You will get an email when a teacher has scheduled a Zoom meeting for your class, or they'll post it into Google Classroom, or you might get both. You should check to see when the meeting is so you don't show up at the wrong time, and you can click right on the blue link and it will open up the Zoom meeting when you're ready to be in it. The email has the exact same information and also has the blue link. You might see this box pop up when you try to join a Zoom. You should just click allow. And it might bring you to a waiting screen that says the person has not yet started the meeting. Just wait, don't click anything. No matter what is going on, whether you're sharing your screen or not, you will see these controls at the bottom. If for some reason they're not there, you can go to the top and click to always show the controls. But they should be at the bottom as the default. To start or stop your video, you can click on the video icon. You can also click the little arrow and it will let you select what camera you're using, which will probably be your webcam, and it can allow you to open up the video settings to have more things you can play with. So there's obviously a lot of things that you could change here, but for the most part, all it matters is that you have a video on. If you do not have a video on, your teacher can send you a request to start your video, which you should do. Obviously, make sure that you are prepared and ready to show whatever is going on where you are. To mute or unmute yourself or control your audio, you're going to click on the little microphone and it will let you choose where the input is coming from. So if you have a microphone or your headphones attached and they have a little speaker, and also where you hear it. So if you hear it in your headphones, if you hear it out of your computer, etc., and you can click to test the speaker or microphone. And it will pull up this screen and you can test the speaker, you can test the mic, you can decide if it automatically connects your audio when you start or if it mutes you when you start a meeting. All of those things are there. Your teacher settings might override the muting one, but other than that, you have control here. If you click on the reactions button, it will let you clap or give a thumbs up. There are more options in the chat box. So if you click on the little chat icon or at the top click view and show chat, both of those will open the chat up on the right side. And then you have your options there to be able to type into the box also to see who is participating. So you can raise your hand, say yes, no, to go faster or slower. You can click the little dots and it will open up more options. So you can do thumbs up, thumbs down, clap, ask for a break, or ask for more time. Also at the top where you see the names, you can continue to mute or turn your video off up there as well. If we're back in settings, there is a box for chat as well, and you can change things like what color theme it is, whether it shows unread messages on top or bottom, whatever your preferences are there. And you can also do the same thing for Zoom in general. Have a light, dark, or system setting theme and decide what color you want your thumbs/clapping hands to be. At the very top, you can click speaker view or gallery view, depending what the default is for you, and it will change it. So speaker view is when the speaker is really big on the screen and everyone else is small, and gallery view is when everyone is the same size, but whoever's speaking gets a highlighted box around them. So there are other things that Zoom does, but this is just a basic overview, and if we're doing anything else in class, then there would be further instructions on how to do those things.